gentlemen, put your hands together for Papon.
Welcome everyone. ये मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह के है ये सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा, है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे, So nice to see everyone here. Guys, at the back, open your torches and move like back in the days. We used to do the matchbox lighters. Yes, beautiful. Everyone, come on, show some love for Ify. क्या बात है? Amazing. तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना, तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना, कैसे तूने अनकहा सब सुना, तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना, तू दिन सा है मेरा आना, दोनों मिल जाए शामों की तरह, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोहे टोहे ना लागे, किस तरह के है ये सुलझे। क्या बात है? Keep moving, keep swinging. You're looking beautiful. बेपरवाह मन पहले तो न था, कि ऐसा बेपरवाह मन पहले तो न था, चिट्ठियों को जैसे मिल गया जैसे एक नया सा पता, कि ऐसा बेपरवाह मन पहले तो न था, गाइए आप लोग, ये मेरी कोई किस ये के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोहे टोहे ना लागे, किस तरह के है सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे, ये मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह ना तरह हाये सुलझे। हेलो एवरीवन, सबको तब नमस्ते नहीं बोल पाया, नमस्ते प्रणाम और हेलो हाय। तो आज मौका मिला है कि एक फोक म्यूज़िक में आपको थोड़ा सा सुना सकूं। इट्स ए फिल्म का, हालांकि इट्स ए फेस्टिवल फॉर फिल्म्स, बट for some reason I was given little short time to present you the diverse India, which I keep doing apart from the, and Bollywood music is inspired by folk music anyway forever now. तो मैं जहाँ से आता हूँ वहाँ से शुरू करूँगा। I come from Assam, and ये जो गाना है वो कह रहा है कि it's Sufi. It says that day by day आपका शरीर ख़त्म हो जाएगा, जो भी होगा इरोड हो जाएगा। आप जिनको भी if you want to thank someone up there, आज ही कर लो, क्योंकि आप नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं है। टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ एंड डोंट पार्टी सो मच लाइक पापन डज। एंड बेसिकली गाना कह रहा है कि प्लीज बी थैंकफुल टू द यूनिवर्स, एंड इट्स अ सूफी सॉन्ग फ्रॉम असम एंड आई विल ट्रैवल टू पंजाब। So quickly we'll take you through this. You won't understand the song maybe, but that's why I told you the story. I hope you like this one. So are you ready? Make some noise. People at the back you can. There's no light on you. There's like special VIP people, they cannot make noise. I know that. People backbenchers, come on, make some noise. Okay, so you start the song, okay? I'll give you the beat. Let me see how it goes. India is so diverse, but there's so much similarity, I thought. So I wanted to present that. So from Punjab, from Assam, I wanted to travel to Punjab. A friend wrote this very old folk melody from Punjab. And this is how it goes. Ve tu fikra shikra phunk de, dube suraj nu mildi savere, बंदे मेरी मेरे क्यों करे, तेरी हो जानी ते जिंद बुलबुला पानी दावे,
गोसाई जी उन लोगे
Thank you. Just like rocking the folk, and which is what I'm trying to bring to the young people. I'm quickly do a very short, which is I'm supposed to do. One of the most grooviest dance form in India. One is Bhangra, one is Bihu, which is again from Assam. So I'll just quickly take you through Bihu. So if you come to Assam, it's April when it's Bihu, which is the New Year. Also there's Bishu in Kerala, Boisak in Bengal, and Baisakhi in Punjab. So it's New Year. It's an amazing time in Assam, and we're waiting for the rains to come. The girls are, really beautiful moves, trying to impress the boys. Boys are impressing the girls with the drums. So this is how it goes. It's really crazy. I'll take you through it. It's a really funky, swingy dance, so I'll maybe just show you a bit. So this is how it goes.
Make some noise! It's April, Bihu! Oh yeah, Billy Bihu di Romoke, Zomoke. Oh, and now Pupuli, Bobodo. When I flow on Hebala, oh, it got night. I go so go bangi, Zazoto. So this is how the boys dance. I don't know why. And the girls dance like this. I don't know why. But it's lovely. You have to I wish you could have Assamese dances here. This is how it goes. Hey, bagu, sontak mori hani mazuri ki manba. Hey, bagu, sontak mori hani mazuri ki manba. Palena sabi chi palena sabi na dolena seta ai na sunu lagi bo bak e bak bo na sunu lagi bo bak. So once Katrina came to Guwahati, I made you dance the Bihu, remember? It was lovely. People still talk about it. Okay, so guys, so this is how you clap in Bihu. If you want to, please come together. Clap. But Bihu is not 1-1. It's 1-2, 1-2. 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. Come guys, you can do better. All right, so a quick thing, it's called Jujona. The guy is saying that my house is this side of the river, your house is that side of the river, and in between is the river. So you have to say hoy. It's so intelligent, see? So you have to say hoy. Hoy means yes in Assamese, hoy. Be as loud as you can. Smriti, you can say hoy, right? All right. You can be louder. See, if I was a bird, I'll fly to you. It's alright, who I hold. It's alright, who I hold. Every go to that, do I dare to back in no more. Go to Ganera border, oh, killy bang now, go on the go to Ganera border, oh, killy bang now, but the money, go to Ganera border, oh, killy bang now. Okay, one last time. Amazing, you guys are. Januja, apni to paribo. Koi do. Amugai patuga kipan madare body noi. Kiran, amugai patuga kipan madare body noi. See, Salman Bhai is louder than Kiran. Come more. It's alright, who I hold. It's alright, who I hold. We go to the Bagilo Modi, go to Canada, killing living in a 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 Okay, thank you, so I can go. Come on, guys. Move up on the hands of talking now, so I'm making now, so Thank you so much. Thanks so much. Thank you. Thank you Thank you. Thanks a lot. Really an honor to be part of this festival. Thank you so much for making us here and being here. Thank you. Have a great evening. Thank you so much.
Huge round of applause for Pathon. What a wonderful performance. Thank you so much.